Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a very exciting new Louis Vuitton Murakami Multicolor unboxing. If you haven't already watched my first unboxing video earlier this month, I got several new pieces from this second wave of the Multicolor collection, which is the 20th anniversary relaunch of their original Murakami. There's a lot going on. So check out that unboxing video. I also did a full lookbook, like walkthrough. I went through all the different pieces from this new multicolor wave, the prices, also the older prices. So go check that out, because actually yesterday there was a huge restock. So make sure you follow me here on YouTube and also on my Instagram at A Heated Mess, because whenever there's a restock or any new updates, I will always let you guys know. I posted the LV restock update on my community posts tab on my YouTube channel, like my YouTube homepage. And some of you messaged that you guys were able to pick up some of the pieces. So I'm glad that you guys were able to grab it, because some of these were hard to find. But even as I'm filming this, there are still some pieces that are available. So I'll show you some of the exciting new pieces that I got. I also have some new jewelry that I wanted to share from this video's sponsor, Idyl Jewelry. I love working with Idyl. They make some of my favorite pieces. I wear Idyl jewelry every single day of my life. I bring it with me when I travel. I wear it to sleep. I wear it to swim. I'm very active. I run around with my kids. I go to the gym. I don't have to take off any of the Idyl jewelry. It's all made with conflict-free lab-grown diamonds. All of their jewelry is made with 14 karat solid gold. It doesn't rust or tarnish or change colors. There are 3 color options. Lately, I've been wearing all yellow gold. So I like to mix and match my pieces, which is what I love about Idyl, because the pieces are modular. Right now, as always, in every single one of my videos, I am pretty much always wearing the Layla Evil Eye necklace. The necklace is adjustable to 3 different lengths, so you can stack them easily to create your own unique style. I just love how sparkly this is. Here is my current ear stack. I have my newest earrings, the Gabrielle hoop earrings. These are their largest hoops that they have in their collection. And then I have the Evil Eye paired with the solar cuff. So just like the necklaces, the earrings are modular, so you can switch out the post, you can mix metals, you can switch out the sizes. I love playing around with the different cuffs and stacking them with all my other earrings. It's made with 27 diamonds. It's solid gold in the front, and then these are kind of inside out hoops. You have 0.18 carats on the inside. And all of their diamonds are VS clarity, and they're all excellent cuts. So they're super, super sparkly. And then the solar cuff is a string of 10 diamonds, and it's a total of 0.5 total carat weight. Super sparkly. I love how it kind of just dangles right there. It looks really pretty with my hair up. I usually have my hair down, but you know, I wear my hair up during the day. So that's the right side, and then the left side. It's nice to mix it up. I can have different earrings and different stacks. So this one is very blinged out because you have the Evil Eye over here. And then this one is a little more plainer. Let's see if I can catch the light here. You still have these sparkly inside out diamonds on the inside of the Gabrielle hoops. I'll link in the description below all of the Idyl jewelry that I'm wearing today. My earring stack, my Gabrielle hoops, the solar cuff, the Evil Eye earring, Evil Eye necklace. I do have a code with Idyl if you want to save 10%. I also encourage you to sign up for their newsletter, because whenever there is a promo or another kind of sale, you can save up to 20%. You should also sign up for the Idyl loyalty program. You earn points with every purchase. You also earn points just for signing up for their newsletter and like putting in your birthday. You can then redeem those points for gifts or turn them into discounts, which is basically like cash towards your next purchase. Every single Idyl order is ready to gift. You also get this very cool travel pouch. I love these travel pouches, obviously for traveling. They're nice and padded. But I also like to use these to organize the inside of my large tote bag. Sometimes you get a gift. I got this really nice silk satin scrunchie. I've also received various travel jewelry organizers or jewelry boxes. They have a lot of promos during the holidays. So again, make sure you sign up for their newsletters to stay notified. Here is my little travel jewelry case. I have a necklace up here, and then you have a zip compartment here. You can stick earrings in there. And every order also comes with a certificate, so you know exactly who packaged it and has information about the diamonds included. I'm traveling again soon, so I plan on using this little Idyl travel jewelry case. And I just kind of stick it in here and keep my other valuables in this Idyl travel pouch. And again, this is the one that comes with every single order. So I will include everything in the description below. Again, you can use my code to save 10% off of your order. My first multicolor piece, and the one that I probably was the most excited about, is this right here. I'm not even going to pretend to put it back in the box because I tore into it as soon as it arrived. I love this. It is the Multicolor Agenda MM. And as you can see, I already have it filled up and ready to start my year and keep myself organized. I also purchased the Agenda refill. It doesn't include the monthly tabs, nor does it include the month layout. So I went on Amazon and I purchased separate inserts just to customize my planner. Because it's a binder system, you can include inserts to personalize it so that it works for you. I bought the monthly 2-page spread monthly layout inserts, and then I also got an agenda refill that included the ruler, and then these inserts. So I keep business cards in here. There's also a little zip pouch, and then like note pages. I started to fill up with my to-do lists and whatnot. The agenda refill itself comes with these little stickers. And then I also got a little notebook because I'm big into journaling this year. I want to write and be a lot more analog with my life and less digital, more writing. So that is my Agenda MM. I'm super excited to get back into using a written planner. I've been using just like my Apple calendar on my iPhone calendar. But for the longest time, and I showed this in all my other videos, I used the PM Multicolor Agenda. This was the original vintage PM Agenda. You can see it's gotten a lot of wear and tear, and then you can see the new version does not have any leather, and on the inside it's this teal color versus the vachetta leather interior of the original. So this is $1,010. I don't know how much the regular Agenda is, but glad that I have the multicolor version to go with my PM. And then I have another hack for you. The passport cover that I'm pretty sure I got this last year, but if not, this is the passport cover. I believe this retails for $4.85 in the multicolor. I already own the passport cover from Louis Vuitton in the monogram. I think I got it in the Cherry Blossom or the Cerises collection from last year. What I plan to do with this, the passport, I plan on using as a notebook. So I purchased these notebooks, these like just cheap passport size notebooks from Amazon, and I'll link again everything below. But these are just plain lined notebooks. You can get, you know, plain ones, whatever. I went to this Japanese bookstore in Atlanta here recently. It's called Kinokuniya. I love it. They have the traveler's notebooks there. So I got a set of 3 notebooks. This is the regular lined little passport size notebook. This is a watercolor notebook because I also recently got into fountain pens. So I wanted to test out different fountain pens and stuff and swatch it and whatever. And then I also got a passport size sticker release book. So I also have stickers. So when I travel, if I don't want to bring this kind of chunky MM Agenda, I plan on bringing this passport size. And if you have a journal, specifically the trifold journal where it has the cover and then it has another little flap, a lot of times you'll use an elastic to kind of tie it around. I don't have that, but what I do have is the Louis Vuitton Multicolor scrunchie. I also got this last year. I got a lot of pieces last year that I haven't really shown you guys, so that's what I plan on using this as. For now, I plan on keeping my passport journal within the Louis Vuitton Multicolor passport enclosed with the matching Louis Vuitton Multicolor scrunchie. I don't remember how much this was, but if you haven't seen this, it has the little gold LV charm there. So that's what I plan on carrying with me when I travel, okay? But we're not done, because what else did I get? Another notebook. This is the Jane Multicolor notebook. I also got this when maybe I showed this already. Yeah, because I got this in Japan. I think this retails for $120, and even as I'm filming this, this might still be available in stock, but here it is again, just to show you. It has the light blue elastic, and inside you have the multicolor, and then it's just all lined pages. Okay, very pretty. I was debating even whether to get a second one so that I could just keep one and then have a second one to actually write in. So we'll see, but that's the Jane notebook. If you love writing, if you love journaling, I think this is a great buy. So this is my stack, okay? But then we're not done, because your girl went onto the resale market and I found the most incredible find online. This vintage, can you guess? I got the Agenda MM, the original Louis Vuitton Multicolor Agenda MM from 2005 to match my PM agenda, okay? Look at the stark difference in the vachetta. This one has been used and loved. It's gotten stained, it's gotten darker. This one, I don't know if they used it because it is in immaculate condition. And you guys, I got this for $1,025, okay? These are reselling on eBay and like whatever resale markets for $4,000 for this, either in the white or the black Agenda GM. Did I say MM? The Agenda GM, it sells for upwards of $3,000, $4,000. I got this for $1,025. Yeah, but it gets better because look, it has the original from when it came out, the original 2005 full refill. So if you guys aren't familiar with the Agenda game, over the years, LV has really narrowed down their offerings. They used to sell a full Agenda set, and then they also sold alongside that the refill. So the refill part was the monthly calendar, the monthly calendar. The full set included a ruler, which I have the full set for my PM size, and then I just changed out the refills throughout the year. It has a full ruler. You used to get a full address book. So we have the entire address book here. This is in like pristine condition. So we have the full address book, A to Z, okay? We have the note pages, original note pages, LV on the bottom. And then look, even the plastic insert, just like the ones I got from Amazon for the passport or whatever size, has the LV logo right there. Okay. And then, you have like a whole metric, whatever conversion. You have like the sun and the stars on the moon. Look at this, guys. You have a full map of the world. You have a world map. I still have this in my PM size. I would unfold it and it would be so tiny. On the GM size, it's a lot easier to see. So you have the full map, both sides, okay? And both sides, keeps going. Asia, Africa, whatever, keeps going. Look at that, full color. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm so excited. So excited. I have the original LV Agenda set for the GM size and the vintage GM multicolor Agenda that I got for a steal in immaculate, pristine condition. So this is definitely my best buy so far, but we are not done because I also got, my battery's about to die, so I'll show it to you quickly. This jump scare. Oh my gosh, I got my favorite, the Louis Vuitton Multicolor Keepall. And again, guys, I got this last year. I've already treated it, so I don't have the full unboxing reveal because I've already put this through the ringer. I treated this with Apple Guard. If you haven't watched my Apple Guard, like LV Vachetta protection tutorial how-to videos, go check that out because I sprayed everything with Apple Guard to protect the Vachetta leather. Okay, there you go. There you go. I have to do a full video. I'm kind of like rushing through this. I have to go get my kids from karate, but there's the interior. I already have an insert in here. The insert is from Samorga. You can use my code Cindy10 to save 10%, but they are also available on Amazon, so I'll link them below. But there it is. Love it. Amazing. Great. You have a pocket here in the front. This is the Louis Vuitton Multicolor Keepall Bandouliere 45. This retails now for $5,150, which is more than the Horizon luggage, surprisingly. But here's a hack for you. Go back in time because I was able to purchase this before the price increase. So I actually got this for $5,050. So the price went up $100 when they re-released it, and now it's $5,150. So I saved $100 by getting this last year. But wait, we are not done because again, I have a true unboxing. I have not opened this. Well, I got a little peek, but I haven't unboxed it on camera. I got this little guy because I really, really wanted the Horizon rolling multicolor luggage. I passed on it because it's not practical for me. It's just silly. I have the cherry blossom Horizon luggage and I already barely use that. So I passed on the Horizon luggage, but I could not pass on this the Horizon AirPod case. The full government name is the Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami Horizon AirPod case bag charm. Is this not the cutest stinking little bag charm you have ever seen? It is a tiny, tiny replica of the actual Horizon rolling luggage. You have the zipper on the side, just like the real Horizon luggage. It opens up just like the real Horizon luggage, and inside there is the stamp, and you can keep your AirPods in here. I don't know if I will actually use this as an AirPod case or just a bag charm or just some type of decorative piece that I will keep on my desk. But the way I mathed this out to justify this purchase is that I passed on the Horizon multicolor luggage, which retails for $4,250. I passed on that, and instead I got this, and this retails for $1,230. So I saved $3,000. Yeah, that's how I saved $3,000 on the Louis Vuitton Horizon. I also saved by getting this at a steal instead of paying the way overblown reseller price. I think I'm done with multicolor. I was debating whether to get the mini bum bag in the multicolor, but I already have the high-rise bum bag, and I think the mini bum bag is just too small. I don't think it'll fit what I need, so I passed on that. I also anticipate that they will release Cherry Blossom, which is my favorite, so I'd rather allocate any fun funds towards the Cherry Blossom collection, maybe Cerise's, but really eyeing any new Cherry Blossom pieces they will be coming out with, if they do. Oh, I have another alternative. If you don't want to spend $1,230 on this adorable, overpriced Louis Vuitton Horizon AirPod case bag charm, the brand Base Travel makes the best version of this. I don't have it on here, so I'll insert pictures and videos. I own it. I plan on getting it in another color, but they have the Base Micro Roller, $28, you guys. It's bigger than this, a little bit, like a little taller, and it has little organization pockets inside, so you can keep your AirPods, you can keep little mini lip gloss, scrunchies, and emergency pieces. It has two little plastic pieces that snap, and then further organizers inside. So that one actually is very functional, very practical for $28. This I just got because I am insane and I love the multicolor collection. Another great alternative to the Louis Vuitton multicolor collection, if you were looking at any of their hard-sided trunks or their watch trunk to store your watches or any other jewelry, instead, I would recommend getting this from Rose Forever New York. This is the 35 red rose bouquet from their crystal collection. These are real roses that are meant to last a year. So it's a great modern option. It is low maintenance. You don't have to put it in water. The color is timeless. It is a classic bouquet of red roses. It comes in other colors too, in this shape, or if you want to opt for the square or the rectangle, they have a few different shapes. And I love the crystal collection because this comes with a secret, well, not really secret, but it comes with this compartment drawer, a bouquet that I keep like near our front door where we keep our keys. And then in my office, I have ones where I keep my sunglasses and eyeglasses. I also have some in my room for watches and jewelry and other little fashion accessories. So it's a great way to organize your pieces. And then instead of seeing a bunch of junk, you see this beautiful bouquet of real roses. I'll also link this below. I have this in white. I also really love their royal blue color. I think they have a light pink. They have a ton of different options, colors, sizes, different shapes. If you don't like the crystal collection, they also have regular bouquets in other different options. You can use my code CindyVDay20 to save $20 off your first bouquet. And with that, that is everything that I got from the new Louis Vuitton multicolor collection. Let me know if you guys plan on getting anything or if you were able to grab anything, especially with the restock. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.